Hi, it's James from ElectricBlu Contractors, your local electrician in Wakefield. So today we're doing something a little out of the ordinary. We're helping a local estate agent within Wakefield. They actually need us to do some work within the estate agent premises rather than just on their managed properties. What they've asked us to do is upgrade this older consumer unit and bring it right up to date with a modern RCD equipped version. So the Saturday is the only day that we could do it without interrupting any of their usual business activities, as they're open Monday to Friday all through the day. So we're coming down on a Saturday, we're going to get it changed over for them, brought right up to date and minimise the disruption to their business in the process. So if you need your business premises testing, inspecting or a new consumer unit fitting, be sure to call James, your local electrician in Wakefield, for a personal response.